When you hear the word glucose, what comes to your mind? Most people would think of diabetes or someone who has diabetes, and that's because a person with diabetes has to manage their blood glucose levels. But did you know that your glucose should be managed even if you are non-diabetic? And that's because the different foods you eat, your sleep, exercise, stress, and even your metabolism impact your daily glucose and energy levels. So for an example, an issue with your metabolism can affect your weight and health goals. However, knowing how to manage your glucose levels could be your answer to gaining a better understanding of your body and give you a better feeling of control over your health and your journey on your weight goals and whatever you're trying to do to manage your weight. Now, a continuous glucose monitor, or CGM, can show you how your glucose moves throughout the day 24/7. NutriSense is a continuous glucose monitoring program that lets you track your daily activity to see how food, sleep, exercise, and stress impact your glucose. This can give you a heads up on what's working on your health journey and what may not be working on your health journey. So let me explain a little more about how glucose works. Well, glucose, or blood sugar, is the primary sugar in your blood. It is derived from the foods you consume and is the primary fuel for your body. Sugar, glucose in the blood is used by every cell in your body as an energy source. So during digestion, glucose is produced from the breakdown of carbohydrates in the food you eat. Your stomach and small intestine absorb the glucose, which is then released into the bloodstream. Your body can either utilize the glucose right then and there or store it for later use. Now, your body also makes insulin, a hormone produced by your pancreas. And insulin enables your body to make use of glucose and store it. However, if you have diabetes, your body cannot create a sufficient amount of this vital hormone or effectively use it. And because of this, the glucose continues to circulate throughout your body, causing blood sugar spikes and health issues. Now, even though someone who is non-diabetic might not have health issues, your glucose level can affect your metabolism. It can cause cravings, change your mood, and even affect your sleep. Without knowing your glucose levels, your health goals may not be achievable. And knowing your glucose levels can take your health journey to the next level. So let me share with you how it works. First, you're going to choose a program that fits your needs. And then you'll complete a health questionnaire. And then you receive your sensors in the mail. You're going to put your glucose sensor on. It's easy and it's pain-free. And then you're going to activate the sensor. Now, you also get 1 month free of dietitian support, which I love because this is great because he or she will act as your glucose tour guide, helping you understand how to read and how to interpret your glucose readings. And they do so much more for you. Now, if you're looking to take control of your health, this is a great way to start. What I'd like for you to do is click the link in the description box to learn more. And I'll say this one more time. If you know more about your body, you might feel like you have more control over your health.